Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will continue the chapter polynomial. Today we will learn multiplication of two polynomial. Multiply the given polynomial. The first polynomial is given 2x and second polynomial is given x square minus 2x minus 1. We have to take multiplication of these two polynomial. Therefore 2x into second polynomial x square minus 2x minus 1. Here 2x is the monomial and x square minus 2x minus 1 is the trinomial. Therefore, we multiply each term of the trinomial. Tell me which is the first term in the trinomial. X square is the first term. We multiply 2x to the first term x square. Therefore, we will get 2x into first term x square. Which is the second term in the trinomial? Negative 2x is the second term. Therefore, give the sign negative and then multiply 2x to the second term 2x. Therefore, 2x into 2x. Which is the third term in the trinomial? Negative 1 is the third term of the trinomial. Therefore, give the sign negative and then multiply 2x to the third term 1. Now, we have to take multiplication of 2x and x square. First we take multiplication of their coefficient. The coefficient of first term is 2 and coefficient of second term is nothing but 1. Therefore we take multiplication of 2 and 1. 2 ones are 2. Now to take multiplication of variable. The variable x is the same in this both term. Therefore we apply the law of indices. Index of the variable x is nothing but 1. Base is same and multiplication is the operation. Therefore we take addition of their indices. Therefore 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Therefore x cube. Negative sign as it is. Now to take multiplication of these two terms, first we take multiplication of their coefficient. Coefficient of first term is 2 and that of second term is also 2. 2 2s are 4. Therefore negative 4. Multiplication of x is 2 times. Therefore, we write here x square. Now to take multiplication of last two terms, first we take multiplication of their coefficient. 2 ones are 2 and x as it is. This is the answer. Now we take product of these two terms by vertical method. The first trinomial is x square minus 2x minus 1 into monomial is 2x. We multiply 2x to the first term x square. Coefficient of x square is nothing but 1. Therefore, take multiplication of their coefficient. We will get 2 ones are 2 into variable x is the same. Therefore, we take addition of their indices. Here 2 and 1 is the index of the variable x. Therefore, we take addition of their index. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Therefore, x cube. We multiply 2x to the second term negative 2x. First we take multiplication of their coefficient. 2 into negative 2 means negative 4 and x into x is nothing but x square. Now we multiply 2x to the last term negative 1. 2 into negative 1 means negative 2 and x variable as it is. Second example, x raised to 5 minus 1 and x cube plus 2x square plus 2. First polynomial x raised to 5 minus 1 into second polynomial x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Which is the first term in the first bracket? X raised to 5 is the first term. Therefore multiplying by first term to the second polynomial, we will get x raised to 5 into second polynomial is x square plus 2x square plus 2. The middle sign is negative, therefore we write negative. Which is the second term? 1 is the second term. Therefore multiplying by second term to the second polynomial, we will get negative 1 into x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Now multiplying by x raised to 5, which is the first term in the bracket? X cube is the first term. Therefore multiplying by x raised to 5 to first term x cube, we will get x raised to 5 into x cube. Then which is the second term? 2x square is the second term. Therefore multiplying by x raised to 5 to the second term 2x square, we will get x raised to 5 into 2x square. Now multiplying by x raised to 5 to third term 2, we will get x raised to 5 into 2. Now multiplying by negative 1 to the second bracket, first we have to change the sign of each term. Minus 1 into x raised to 3 means minus 1 into x cube. Which is the second term? 2x square is the second term. Therefore multiplying by negative 1 to the second term 2x square, minus into plus becomes as minus, and 2 ones are 2, x square as it is. Multiplying by negative 1 to the last term 2, minus 1 into plus 2 means minus, 2 ones are 2. To take multiplication of x raised to 5 and x cube, both term have coefficient 1. Therefore 1 ones are 1, and x is the variable in both term and multiplication is the operation. Therefore we will take addition of their indices. X raised to 5 into x cube means x raised to 8. Now multiplication of x raised to 5 into 2x square. First we take multiplication of their coefficient. The coefficient of x raised to 5 is nothing but 1. Therefore 2 ones are 2. Multiplication of x raised to 5 into x square, we apply here law of indices. Therefore we take addition of their index. 2 plus 5 is nothing but 7. Therefore x raised to 7. Now to take multiplication of x raised to 5 into 2. 2 ones are 2, x raised to 5 as it is. Here also we multiply by 1 to each term. Therefore there is no change in the term. Therefore negative x cube, negative 2x square, and negative 2 as it is. This is the answer. Third example, 2y plus 1 is the first polynomial and second is y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. We multiply first polynomial into second polynomial, that means 2y plus 1 into bracket y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Which is the first term in the first bracket? 2y is the first term. Therefore multiplying the first term to the second bracket, we will get 2y into second bracket y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Which is the second term in the first bracket? 1 is the second term in the first bracket. Multiplying by this second term to the second bracket, we will get plus 1 into y square minus 3y cube plus 3y. Now to open the bracket, we multiply by 2y to each term of the bracket. The first term in the bracket is y square. Multiplying by 2y to the first term y square, we will get 2y into y square. Minus sign as it is. Multiplying by 2y to the second term 2y cube, we will get 2y into 2y cube. Plus sign as it is. Multiplying by 2y to the third term 3y, we will get 2y into 3y. Now multiplying by 1 to the second bracket, 1 into first term is y square, minus sign as it is. 1 into second term 2y cube, plus sign as it is, 1 into 3y. Now 2y into y square. First we take multiplication of their coefficient. 2 ones are 2. And if we take multiplication of their variable, we apply the law of indices. Take addition of their index. 2 plus nothing means 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. That means we will get y cube. Therefore 2y cube. Now to take multiplication of their coefficient, 2 2s are 4. Y into y raised to 3. That means we take addition of their indices. 3 plus nothing means 1. 3 plus 1 means 4. That means y raised to 4. Take multiplication of their coefficient. 2 3s are 6. Y into y, y square. If you multiply by 1, there is no change in the term. Therefore y square minus 2y cube and plus 3 ones are 3y. Here 2y cube and negative 2y cube both are like terms and they have opposite sign. Therefore 2 plus 2y cube and negative 2y cube are cancelled out. Now which is the pair of like term in this remaining term? 6y square and y square. Therefore we take addition of their coefficient. The first term negative 4y raised to 4 as it is. 6 plus 1 is nothing but 7, y square plus 3y. This is the answer. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video and like this video. Thank you.